Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2014 Kenworth W900L factory built glider kit, built with pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, and 390,000 original miles. I've got it hot this morning. Going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Diamond seal leak up on the front there. Excellent steers. About good. Front grill surround looks good. Body and paint really good. Steps and tanks are in good shape. Back of the cab overall looks good. You got a few minor little paint chips there up and around the corners. Frame rails are clean. No rust. It's like new rubber they've installed here on the rear. All aluminum wheels, air slide fifth wheel, new brakes. Looks good on this side as well, as far as body paint, steps, tank. VIT interior, like I said, 13 speed, extra gauges. Here's your miles, hours. Good low side oil pressure. Oil pressure jumps up great. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.